Welcome back, student. So, in continuation with this topic, classification of organic compound on the basis of functional group. Okay. Now, in this class, we are going to start new organic compound, new class of organic compound chemistry, that is hydroxyl derivative of hydroxyl compound. Okay. Hydroxyl compound. Hydroxyl. Okay, so before this, what is the meaning of hydroxyl group? Hydroxyl group. Okay, it is one of the functional group, very important functional group, which is known as hydroxyl group. What is this? See, oxygen atom. Consider oxygen atom. So we know oxygen atom is divalent. Divalent means its valency is 2. In any compound, if oxygen is present, and that oxygen will going to form 2 chemical bond. Okay, so that's why it is called divalent. Like water, in water oxygen attached to 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, now means valency of oxygen is 2, means oxygen going to form 2 covalent 2 bond. See, if this oxygen form one bond with hydrogen atom and one bond is free bond or free bond or valency. This is the group. It is a functional group containing oxygen. Hydroxyl group is nothing but functional group containing oxygen, in which one of the valency of oxygen is divalent, but one of the valency of oxygen is satisfied by hydrogen and one second is free. Then this structural unit or structural moiety is known as hydroxyl group. Okay, so this is hydroxyl group. In hydroxyl group, oxygen attached to hydrogen. Remember, oxygen attached to hydrogen, and this oxygen having 2 lone pair of electron. This is lone pair of electron present on oxygen. Okay, so this is the structure of hydroxyl group. Now, so this is hydroxyl group. And what is hydroxyl compound? Those organic compound which contain hydroxyl group. Those organic compound which contain hydroxyl group as a functional group are known as hydroxyl compound. Remember, what is hydroxyl compound? What is hydroxyl compound? Those organic compound which contain hydroxyl group, and that group is represented by bond OH. If this group is present in the organic compound, bond OH, this group is present, functional group, bond OH is present, then that organic compound is called, are known as hydroxyl compound. And this hydroxyl compound are of 2 types. Okay, one is alcohols, and another is phenols. Both are very important. This hydroxyl compound are classified into 2 types, that is alcohols and phenol. Alcoholic and phenolic. Okay, one by one we will see this. What is alcohol? So hydroxyl compound are of 2 types. One is alcohol and second one is phenols. Okay, now first alcohols. What are alcohols? Same thing, just like a halogen derivative of alkane. Here alcohol known as hydroxyl derivatives of alkane. Hydroxyl derivative of alkane or alcohols means what? We have to consider alkane. From that alkane we have to replace one or more hydrogen atom from different carbon atom. Different, I will explain what is this. How hydroxyl derivative of alkane obtained? We have to consider alkane, and from that alkane we have to replace one or more hydrogen atom from different carbon atom by same number of hydroxyl group, by same number of hydroxyl group, that is known as alcohols, that is known as alcohols. Okay, so how alcohol obtained? What is alcohol? So consider alkane, for example methane, and we know structure of methane, 4 hydrogen atom. If we replace one hydrogen by OH group, OH group is what? Hydroxyl group, then what we are getting? CH3OH. This compound, this new compound obtained is known as alcohols. This type of compound are known as alcohols. And how this compound obtained? By replacing one hydrogen atom by one OH group. We can replace more than one hydrogen, but remember one condition, we could not replace second carbon atom from same carbon. Same carbon means from that carbon we have already replaced one, we have already attached OH group. Okay, that is condition. Now in case of alcohol or hydroxyl compound, see ethane contain 2 carbon atoms. So first replace one hydrogen, any one, because all hydrogen atom are same. So we are getting this OH. This is alcohol. Again replace one more hydrogen, but it is not possible to replace hydrogen from this carbon number 1, carbon number 2, for example, because carbon number 1 already having one OH group, one carbon, one OH group. So we could not attach second OH group on that. Okay, that is one condition. So we have to replace hydrogen from carbon number 2. So then we get this type of compound obtained. Now next hydrogen replacement of hydrogen is not possible because only 2 carbon. Okay, so this compound, this is compound A and compound B, that new compound obtained by replacing hydrogen atom by OH group, hydroxyl group, that is known as alcohols. What are alcohols? Alcohols are the derivative of alkane. Alkane means aliphatic hydrocarbon. Alkane means aliphatic hydrocarbon, and which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom by same number of hydroxyl group. Okay, so that is called alcohols. Okay, getting my point? So alcohols. Now again same thing, alcohols are classified into various categories: monohydric alcohol, monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, and so on. What is monohydric alcohol? If we are having one OH group, if we have replaced one hydrogen atom by one OH group, whatever resulting compound obtained, that is called monohydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol, if we are replacing 2 hydrogen atom from different carbon atom, remember different carbon atom, by 2 OH group, then whatever new compound obtained, that is called dihydric. Then trihydric, tetrahydric, similarly pentahydric, and so on, that is called polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, and then polyhydric alcohol. Okay, but all are alcohols. So alcohol, what are alcohols? Alcohols are the derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon or alkane, which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by same number of hydroxyl group, that is called alcohols. Okay, and alcohols are classified into classification of alcohols. How alcohols are classified? Alcohol are classified into various types. One is monohydric monohydric alcohol. Monohydric means one OH group. So how monohydric alcohol obtained? They are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by one OH group, that is hydroxyl group, that is known as monohydric alcohol. Okay, see, for example, take alkane, for example methane, remove one hydrogen, attach one OH group, then we are getting this type of compound, that is the monohydric alcohol, CH3OH. Take ethane, remove one hydrogen by one OH group, then CH3, CH2OH, and so on. Take propane, from propane we can attach OH group at two different positions. Replace one hydrogen by OH group. If we replace terminal hydrogen, then we are getting CH3, CH2, CH2OH. If we replace middle hydrogen from middle carbon, then CH3, CHOH and CH3. And again, this monohydric alcohol having two names, common name and IUPAC name. Similarly, common name is very simple. In this common nomenclature, alcohol is named as alkyl alcohol, just like alkyl halide, alkyl alcohol. So what is common name of alcohol? Alkyl alcohol, alkyl alcohol. Okay, I will explain in next time. So what we have to do? How monohydric alcohol obtained? Just replace one hydrogen atom from alkane by OH group, then we are getting different alcohol. And remember, functional group in alcohol is OH group. In case of alkyl halide, halogen atom is a functional group. Similarly, in alcohol, functional group is hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group is a functional group. And see, in alcohol, OH group attached to aliphatic carbon atom. Always remember, carbon atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon. There are two types of hydrocarbon, aliphatic, aromatic. Here in alcohol, OH group is attached to aliphatic carbon atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Remember, this is the difference between alcohol and phenol. If you want to identify alcohol and phenol, very simple. If OH group, hydroxyl group attached to carbon of aliphatic hydrocarbon, then alcohol. If OH group attached to carbon atom of aromatic hydrocarbon, then that is phenols. This is the basic difference between alcohol and phenol. I will explain. Okay. So, and as we know, alkane is represented by monohydric alcohol. First is monohydric. Remember, monohydric alcohol. What we have to do? Alkane. From alkane, replace one hydrogen, attach one OH group, then we get monohydric alcohol. Alcohol. Okay. So CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane. Remove one hydrogen means alkyl group, CnH2n plus 1. Then attach one OH group. OH group contain one oxygen and one hydrogen. So you will get CnH2n plus 2O. This is the general formula for monohydric alcohol obtained from alkane. Okay. General formula of monohydric alcohol, CnH2n plus 2, 1 oxygen. Similarly, it is represented by, we know alkane represented by R bond H, remove one hydrogen by one OH group, then R bond OH. This is the symbol of monohydric alcohol, alkyl alcohol, that is called alkyl alcohol. So R bond OH, this is alkyl alcohol. Okay. Now some want to give some common name. Now example, CH4, remove one hydrogen by OH group, then we are getting CH3OH. What is common name for this? How common name obtained? Common name of alcohol is alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol means we have to identify the alkyl group and attach suffix alcohol. So what is the name of alkyl group here? Methyl. So methyl followed by word alcohol. So name is methyl alcohol. Then CH3, remove one hydrogen, attach one OH, then CH3, CH2OH. That is, this is ethyl group. Ethyl group. So name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Then propane, CH2, CH3. Propane, from propane we are having two alkyl group. This propane giving two alkyl group. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3. Remove terminal hydrogen atom, hydrogen from carbon, minus H plus OH. Then CH3, CH2, CH2OH. OH. Okay, that is called N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Here, if we attach OH group, remove hydrogen from middle carbon atom, then same CH3, CH3, that is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So this is isopropyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. If we take butane, then butane give N-butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, 3 isomers obtained from butane. Take pentane. Okay, so that is common name for monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. And similarly, this alcohol also having IUPAC name. What we have to do in IUPAC name? This is monohydric alcohol. Remember, IUPAC name. Monohydric alcohol. How it is obtained? Again, same thing. Parent name of monohydric alcohol is obtained by, remember, parent name of alcohol is obtained by removing last E from the name of alkane by OL. What we have to do? We have to write the name of alkane, and from the name of alkane, remove last E, suffix last E by OL. Then what we get? Alkanol. So alkanol is a parent name of alcohol. In case of IUPAC system, alkanol. Like haloalkane is IUPAC parent name of alkyl halide. Similarly, IUPAC name or parent name of monohydric alcohol is alkanol. Okay, and very simple, remove last E by OL. Okay, for example, then remaining rules are same. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, CH3. For example, now we have to give IUPAC name for this monohydric alcohol. First identify it is alcohol or not. Is it alcohol? Yes. It is OH group attached to aliphatic carbon atom, means it is alcohol. So now what we have to do? Same rule. Functional group is OH group. Remember, functional group is OH group. Now select the longest chain. As per our rule, select the longest chain containing functional group and maximum number of substituent. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So definitely longest chain is this. Okay, so longest chain contain how many carbon atom? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So longest chain contain 8 carbon, means which alkane? 8 carbon means octane, and parent name is obtained by removing last E by OL. So octanol. Octanol is a parent name of this compound. Now then give numbering. We have to give number to this carbon of longest chain in such a way that carbon bearing OH group should get lowest possible number. If we start from this side 1 2 3 4, if we start from this side 1 2 3 4 5, so from this side this carbon getting lower number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and this is substituent. Methyl group is a substituent attached to carbon number 6. So we have to name it first. So 6 methyl, any substituent, 6 methyl, and carbon number 4 having OH group, so 4 octanol. So 4 octanol. Okay, so this is the simple IUPAC name for this compound. So in this way we can give, select, we have to follow this procedure to give IUPAC name. So this is monohydric alcohol. So monohydric alcohol is obtained by removing one hydrogen atom from alkane or aliphatic hydrocarbon by one OH group. Okay, so common name for monohydric alcohol is alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol, N-pentyl alcohol, like this. Okay, and this is IUPAC name for this. Now dihydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, second dihydric alcohol. See, for example, ethane. If we replace one hydrogen by one OH group, then we will have monohydric alcohol, ethyl alcohol, or ethanol. Its common IUPAC name is ethanol. Again replace one more hydrogen by OH group, and now it is not possible to replace hydrogen atom from this carbon number 1. We have to replace hydrogen from carbon number 2, because one carbon, one OH group. Okay, more than one OH group we could not attach to the same carbon atom, remember. So that's why OH group 2 carbon number 2, OH carbon number 1. Okay, now what is this compound? 1 2. This compound contain hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group attached to aliphatic carbon atom, means it is alcohol. But is it monohydric alcohol? No, because it contain 2 OH group. 2 OH group is there, that's why it is known as dihydric alcohol. If alcohol contain 2 OH group and alcohol which are obtained by replacing 2 hydrogen atom from different carbon atom, because carbon atom 1, carbon atom 2, 2 different carbon atom by 2 OH group, hydroxyl group, are called monohydric alcohol. Okay, similarly trihydric alcohol, 3 hydrogen atom from different carbon atom, for example trihydric alcohol. See, this compound, see this compound, how many carbon atom present? 3, and 3 carbon atom contain 3 OH group, 1 2 3, that is called trihydric alcohol, and they are obtained by replacing 3 hydrogen atom from different carbon atom by 3 OH group. What is the name? Do you know this compound? This is glycerin. Glycerin or glycerol. Glycerol, very important and well known organic compound. Okay, so glycerin or glycerol, this is dihydric, then tetrahydric, pentahydric, hexahydric and so on. Okay, so these are the alcohol family, hydroxyl compound and alcohol family, very important. Now there is a separate chapter on this hydroxyl compound in 12th. All these classes of organic compound having separate chapter in 12th standard. So we have to discuss this topic in detail in higher class. Okay, so next time we will discuss phenols. What are phenols? They are hydroxyl compound, but in detail we have to, I want to explain what are phenols, their name, some example of phenols. Okay, thank you very much.